Okay, can we? 1 minute, sir. I'll give a direction. I'll give a direction. I have got a
So who's
script.
calling? You calling? I'm calling.
All right. All right. Moment of the tournament is the toss for the first match of the Advocate Premier League 2024. Jamia Millia Islamia, fantastic venue. And our chief guest today is, let's clap for Manisha Gupta, entrepreneur and has various saloons in Delhi and social activists. Ma'am, thank you very much. Co-chief guest is Mr. Sachin Puri, senior advocate, and it is his vision to bring this tournament forth. Guest of honor, Mr. Bobby Sanjay, played a lot of cricket, he told me, played a lot of cricket in this ground, fond memories for him. Alumni of Jamia Islamia. So thank you very much, all special gentlemen and ma'am. Also, let me read the title sponsor. Okay. Mr. Sagar and Mr. Amit is here. So nice to have you here, sir. So, title sponsor is Uppal Group, organized by Sports Association of Indian Lawyers, managed by Invincible Sports, and powered by Crisumi Incorporation, footwear partner Liberty, mobility partner BMW, Infinity Cars, and pain relief partner is Quick Relief Oil and Spray. And today's first match is between Puneet Bali, senior advocate, and Kirti Uppal, senior advocate. Both are senior lawyers and our team owners. Let's clap for both the captains as well and for our guest over here. It's over to the umpire with a special coin. I was told there was a special coin. Which captain wants to call? Name of your team, please.
Puneet Bali 11.
Puneet Bali 11 captain is going to call. All the best.
Logo.
Logo is the call by Puneet Bali. Logo it is. Congratulations, captain. You want to bowl first. Why do you want to bowl first? First match of the tournament, you want to know the surface?
No, the outfield is very heavy. I don't think the ball is going to carry very easily.
Okay.
The wicket is a little damp. I want to take advantage of the conditions first.
Right, the ball may not travel on the outer part of the ground. So you've decided to bowl.
Bowl, yes.
And how many runs would you like to restrict them for?
As less as possible.
As less as possible. That's positive. Can I talk to the captain who's getting batting? Captain, आपके मन में क्या चल रहा है?
Sir, we would also like to bowl, but
Okay.
the outfield is too heavy.
Right.
So,
But
nevertheless,
plan B,
nevertheless, we will go for a higher score.
150 is the first target, and then you progress further.
Now, we have think about 180.
Fine. And you have full players, not
Yes.
missing anyone.
We are playing with the full strength.
Full strength. Very good. Can I request both the captains to go ahead and shake hands, please? And let's clap for them. Toss done. The action will begin in next 5 to 10 minutes. Thank you. Do you love cricket? That's my first question.
I do love it,
Okay.
but not like, not a great fan or whatever.
crazy,
Yeah, not crazy, but yeah, I do like to watch it.
So, what made you get associated with this tournament?
My partner,
Okay. Simple as that.
yes.
You enjoyed the toss?
Of course, I did my first time, and it's lovely. And best of luck to both the teams.
Right.
And let's hope for the best result.
Thank you so much. Sir, please, your words. Share your feelings.
It's a lovely tournament, very well organized. Mayank and Dheeraj have done a splendid job. They have picked up great grounds. They have, the auction was amazing, one of its kind ever done in the history of lawyers cricket, rather only the first time it has ever happened. It's a great event that they have organized, and I wish them well, and I wish them to continue in this fashion for the years to come. Good luck.
Lovely words, sir. Sir, tell us something about how many matches you would have played at this ground.
I don't know. During the period of 5 years, actually, I might have played around 50 odd matches here. But I've been coming to this ground since my childhood.
Okay.
Courtesy director Mr. Noor Mohammed here. He was the director of sports here. He got me admitted in this college, and I studied here, played for nationals, North John, All India universities over here. I used to practice here. And I am thankful and honored to Mr. Dheeraj and Mr. Mayank, organizers of this tournament, to be here. And I also congratulate them for choosing this ground to be the inaugural match. So again, all the best to all the teams. I'm also thankful to my dear friend, Mr. Sachin Puri. senior advocate. So I'm again honored he called me up here. So thank you so much. All the best to all the teams. Thank you.
The owner of one of the owners of the team, Sanjeev Sagar.
Okay, Mr. Sanjeev Sagar is here. Good morning to you, sir. Good to have you here for the toss. And how do you like the atmosphere? Is it electric? It is exciting. You're looking forward to the matches. How much do you love cricket?
I I like cricket a lot. The atmosphere is really electric and energetic, and I believe that the game will be fantastic. And I am grateful and thankful to my friend Sachin. And I would congratulate Dheeraj and Mayank for doing such a wonderful job. And I always enjoy cricket. And I hope your commentary will be also the best.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So that was a little chat, and thank you, everyone. Let's not wait and wait for the match to begin. Thank you, everyone.
और ये बोल्ड क्रॉस खेलना चाहते थे, क्लीन बोल्ड हुए, बहुत बढ़िया बॉल डाली ओवर। नौवां ओवर चलता हुआ, बहुत अच्छी शॉट और फील्डर के हाथ पे सीधा, बढ़िया बॉल।
थोड़ा सा चला के खेलेंगे।
Lovely shot, flicked it away to deep mid wicket, deep square. That's 75 for 2. 13.2. Keeper taking it. Yeah, that's been swept away mid wicket. First six of the innings to Cow's corner. Good try. Unable to take the catch. Luck favoring the batsman on 23. Nice looking shot back to the bowler. Non-striker diving. In the air. Bowler under the ball. Oh, catch put down. This is a dollar. चला गया यहाँ से order. And we have an appeal. Will. Good ball. Playing that to long on. And it looks to be a catch in long on. What is happening? Keeper will take a catch. Three run outs in this inning. So bat की sound आती देखना होगा. Full toss. That's been played away to covers. Good fielding. Good fielding. High up in the air, mid wicket under the ball. Well taken catch. This is covers. Takes the catch. Batsman will regret playing this. That's a big hit. An excellent fielding near the boundary line. Surely saving. Lovely ball. Batsman in 2 minds. Caught behind or what? Edging the ball. Beautiful shot, mid wicket under the ball. Deep mid wicket, has taken a fantastic catch. Lovely ball, lovely. And keeper has done the job from behind the stumps. Great. And a great catch by short cover. Scooping the cover fielder, throws the ball, and this is a mix-up. Both the batsmen in one end and tragic run out. Now wicket 6. Simple catch. Runs, 2 wickets. Pradeep, 4 overs, 18 runs, 2 wickets. Excellent bowling. 2 wickets each for these 2 bowlers. In the air. Bowler. Well taken. Return catch. All out. Senior advocates. And Mr. Puneet Bali, senior advocates, captain is already here. So once both the captains will be available, we can start a small interview. Aye. All right, are the cameras ready? Fine, friends. This was day 1 and match 1 at this sprawling Jamia Millia Islamia. The tournament is known as Advocate Premier League. We have the captains who just finished playing a low total but a close match. And we are also going to clap for the victorious side over here. The captain defending, making 121 first, but successfully defending it. So my first question goes to the captain who could not win. Captain, when you restricted them to 121, even I was thinking, I think you will get 122, but where do you think things went against you?
First of all, I'd like to congratulate the winning team. They put up a great show. I think our batsmen did not apply. In as much as they won the game, we've lost it.
Right. On both the sides, the spinners were turning, were doing the bowling. I mean, you used your spinners extensively. Even the other side used their spinners extensively. Slow pitch, can't hit the fours, heavy outfield. But particularly any reason that you feel it's a batting failure?
You see, we had better conditions to play from. It was a good toss to win.
Much drier in the second innings?
Yes, much drier, and the outfield was faster. But I think our batsmen did not apply themselves. They threw away the wickets. And 120 is very, very chaseable. I mean,
absolutely.
In such a big ground,
right.
It's like a little lack of application.
Hard luck to you, but you'll have a chat with your batsman. They have to jump back in the next match?
Yes, I don't think it can get worse than this. So we're definitely getting.
Are you enjoying the tournament?
Of course. It's a lawyers tournament. Winning or losing, an objection here and there doesn't make a difference. You have to play in the spirit. We are lawyers at the end of the day. We're not cricketers.
And it's like a big family.
Yeah.
So let's talk to the captain. Captain, यानी congratulations. आपने 121 को defend कर लिया. You bowled out the opponents. Excellent catches were taken. Very good spin bowling. किसका नाम लोगे आपने? आप कहोगे कि great performance by your player.
First of all, very well played. First of all, very well played team. The turning point was the wicket of Ratul. Congratulations to Vidar.
Yeah.
After all, the match that has to be managed because of the catches. We
right.
don't have, we does not missed any of the catch which we have taken.
Right.
And
हाँ बस ठीक है. I mean, what the captain says is catches win matches. This is what he said in short and sweet. We move ahead. 4 awards will be given away by the organizing committee. And can we start announcing the names, sir? We have a table decorated with some beautiful brass trophies. So I call upon the batsman of the match, Ankur Rao. Ankur Rao is the batsman of the match. Sir, rival captain से भी बुला देना. आप invite करो. Right, fantastic. Ankur Rao, batsman of the match, receiving his also is also the captain. Bowler of the match, Vidhur Dwivedi. Vidhur Dwivedi is receiving the bowler of the match award. And now the award is fighter of the match, Ratul, 1 wicket and 20 runs. Ratul, 1 wicket and 20 runs. Good all-round show by him. And the man of the match, the big award, we request the rival captain to kindly come and do the honors. Anurag, man of the match. So that was from the presentation ceremony. Thank you, everyone. We shall wait for the next match.
गर्दन के दर्द से है परेशान।